All right, we're going to be taking a look at CBIS here. It's been about 4 days since the last time that we've looked at this one. Highly requested over here on Investors Hangout. A lot of requests for CBIS, but right now, 0339, guys. Not too much else I can say. Totally sucks on every level that you want to look at it. I mean, because a year ago we were talking about the stock all the time, nonstop, and it just rally after rally, and everything just really looked good, and then boom, everything just fell apart, and you guys are still dropping right now. But you know what? Again, this is where I got to talk about this stuff, guys. This is all you guys that are tuning in to this right now. A couple hundred people watching us doing this live. Guys, use the tool, use these charts as a tool. I cannot express that stuff to you guys enough. Use these charts as a tool. Don't go out there blind. Don't go out there, oh, I'm going to buy the stock. I got to buy it, buy. Just don't get that attitude. Take the patience. It will pay off. Be smart. We talked about this 04. I talked about it a lot. All right. We talked about it over here on 10-7 when I watched at 4 min. You guys see on the 5th, the 4th and 5th, I revised that on the 7th. Support 04 must hold. A break of 0445 would be bullish. Well, in that area, I was watching this really closely. All right. I was hoping that we would get a little bit of volume here to push this back up through that 0433 area and start rallying. Unfortunately, it fell apart, and it fell apart yesterday. All right. You guys opened a lot. Where did you guys close over here? Closed at 0399, and then you guys ended up opening at 0417. So you guys ended up opening higher than you closed the previous day yesterday, and it just took a shit and fell apart. That's the truth, okay? And unfortunately, it just fell apart. You guys fell through that 04, a very, very big area that I was watching for. I mean, that 04, guys, was a critical part back in the beginning of this run. Last year, almost to the date. Almost to the date. You guys were in the same area, and it ran all the way up to 14 cents. We were watching this thing all the way up there. All these videos that we did, you guys coming back down off that top, up here at the top, boom, just bouncing, coming back down. Little bounces here and there, but just getting beat up. And then now there's a ton of volume coming in here. 22 million shares. The average volume for the last 20 days has been about 7 million. You guys fell through that 04. And then right through a bottom one at 0350. That is going to be down here. There's not much holding you guys between here. And that could be a big drop from 0339 to 02. There's not much in here at all. Let me kind of give you an example here, so I'm just not blowing off smoke here and you guys don't see what I'm talking about. So right there between those two blue lines that I just put, this one and this one right here, look at between here. There's nothing in here. You guys got a little candle right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. You can essentially count them on one hand. 4 candles there total. All right. So there's 4 candles there that we're going to be paying attention to, but nothing really transpired of it now. And you guys broke through that 04, coming back down. Look at that line I just put in there, 039. You guys are sitting right on that. That one falls through. It's a very strong possibility that this one could go down to the 02 mark. Not saying that's what's going to happen, but look at what happened when it fell through that 04. So I'm going to put on here, feeling comfortable with a must hold area. Let me see if I can get another one that I would say is going to be a must hold. I think 03 is going to be too low though. Yeah, 03 might be too low for that to fall through. You're basically right there right now. I'm going to keep that 0339 is going to be a must hold. If that breaks through, 02 could come here, guys. To rally back up, though, on a positive note, you just need to break through 0434 here, in my opinion, to get back into the bullish territory. 04 is going to be the first level there as well. And I'm going to go ahead and update this. I know this has been a little bit of a long video here. But again, I cannot stress enough on how important it is to follow along with these charts. So it's 0339. Resistance levels at 04 again. 04. I'm going to put 04 and hold that there. That's fine. I'm not going to even put that 5 in there. 0426, 0434. Support 0339 is now a must hold, in my opinion. All right, so that 0339 is now going to be the must hold here. I would really, really pay attention with this one. Let me update this one more time here to get through that top mark. A break of 0433 would be bullish. All right, so real quick here before I end the CBIS, I do want to take a look at the time and sales, guys. The time and sales, I talk about it all the time, but this is what I'm talking about. This is where it really, really helps you out. The volume that has been coming in here, 22 million, 18 million, the volume has been picking up. Let's take a look at the time and sales to get an idea. All right, so the time and sales right here, you got the time, price, and volume for each individual trade. Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought. I was expecting to take a look at this and just see pure red going off that chart, but it's not as bad. You still have the buys coming in here. We can see that here at 1,400 shares, 15,000, 20,000. So that's going to be CBIS over here on investorshangout.com. If you're watching this right now and you'd like to learn more, you'd like to participate in the charts and stuff like that, I definitely encourage you to join us over here on investorshangout.com, investorshangout.com/live. That's going to be the live show. You guys head on over there. You're going to be able to participate with us during the live show. It's a lot of fun. So we will see you there. Hit that like and subscribe if you're new and if you're in the mood. Otherwise, you might be pissed off that this thing has dropped that much. So we'll just go ahead and let that go for this time. Hopefully your investment turns around. CBIS.